the car.
Are you Thai Bangkok?
Makes more sense if I record.
Here is bigger than you here. It's small here.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, Ritz.
Ritz shall follow.
I got no strings in that. Okay, what do you do? The little shell goes to the first vehicle.
Oh, they're Pinoy. Hey, lumpia. Okay, beep beep. Beep beep. Kayo. Beep beep.
You don't
Beep,
have
beep.
the horn. It said beep 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 beep.
Stop on it.
Beep 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 beep.
Stop on it. Oh my god. You just made them up. That's a school?
No.
Ah, students now over here.
It was school of kids.
They come to
They're probably having a field
camp
trip.
like you.
This is probably a field trip.
Yeah, field trip
Say
like
hi, wave.
Hi.
I dare you to honk. I'm just kidding.
Say hi to them.
You honk, I'm gonna give you 1,000. But you honk.
I don't want to run over children. That would be not very nice. It's 20 points each.
Gotta get those 5 stars.
She's just parking over there.
Look how serious he is.
Maybe sit here.
Right here?
No, no. Yeah, Kevin.
Over here.
Oh, I think it's okay.
Here?
Yeah.
Where's the brakes?
Thank you.
You don't know how to ride.
This was like where the king was before.
So maybe they give something. The fish.
The king used to stay here or before?
Yeah, the king lived here before?
Yeah. Long time.
Where is he at now?
100, 200 years.
Where is he now?
Oh, in the new.
In the new house?
Yeah, the new capital.
Oh, in Bangkok over there now?
Bangkok.
He moved. That's cool.
They're so synchronized. I know, they have to.
You gotta drive like a Thai.
Beep beep.
Drive on the left side.
Say hello to baby.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
You go through a dead end or what? Okay.
Move. Back up.
Let me go this way.
Wait.
Wait. Wait.
No, we're not allowed to go there.
Go ahead. Am I gonna hit the wall?
No, not yet. A little bit.
More?
More.
Okay.
It's a goal.
This thing's hard to turn. I'm gonna crash right into you.
Can I?
No, that's okay.
Don't worry, we'll get out.
Will we?
Hey, Sam.
Yes.
Picture.
Okay, we're good.
They don't have sign.
Like a dead end. Where'd they go anyways?
I don't know. I guess we're on our own. Can't go there.
Yeah.
I think they might have went back that way, but I don't know.
Maybe over there. That's them.
Where?
Go over the one over there. The one we take the car.
Yeah, I know.
We don't have to. Do we need to return it already?
No.
Yeah. You see them in the front over there.
Are they?
Yeah.
$3 every.
Over there. See?
No, that's someone else.
Oh, someone else.
Bunch of women.
Oh, okay. Keep going.
We can't keep going and just.
Bunch of women. So hard.
Bunch of deers.
Maybe you can turn right.
So hard.
Isn't it like $3 to read a show hour?
$1 an hour.
Oh my god.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Over there, that's water spraying up in the air. Right below you is water.
Thank you for
That's made out of,
You see the pit there?
it's like a little statue made of rocks built together.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah, the big one. Big pit. And then
And this is a plant. What? Fish? Oh yeah. It's a big fish over there.
yeah, a lot. That's why they go.
I guess you can, but you have to take your shoes off.
This is like a prank.
Huh? You can look and
Take a picture of you and
stand inside.
just get on your knees over there.
Yeah, I will. Take it down.
On your knees.
On your tummy.
You want to tell me the big one?
Humpy. Hump. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's take a look. It's mangoes. Okay.
Keeps
It kind of looks real from far away.
Is that off? Maybe on the right?
Maybe.
Maybe you should paint yourself and like put yourself
stand
like
there.
right next to a statue.
Char-
See if somebody
Charge people.
Oh, someone.
You want to go over there? Huh?
Yeah, okay. It's pretty cool.
I'll park right here. Feed the fish. Oh wow, that's what is that? What's
the name? I don't know.
is that? Oh, it's a turtle.
Turtle?
There's turtles in there. That's a huge turtle. Look. I thought it was a fish, but no, it's under more.
Yeah.
You missed it.
Oh my gosh, those are big.
I should have thrown the whole thing and see what would happen. Did anybody eat it?
I don't know.
A lot of sushi?
You think of
No respect.
food. That's food down there. We feed them so we can eat them.
Oh my gosh.
We just add more meat to them.
True.
Want some more?
No, don't worry.
I
It's
still
okay.
got more.
He still has more. I want to see that turtle that was down there. I don't know where it went to. It was huge. Oh, over here. Look, over here. Over here. You see the shell? Well, it kind of went underneath.
Yeah.
Except for a second.
Maybe it'll come back up. Okay. That's it.
I'm on the right.
No.
Not the rest.
Yeah, go. Go around.